A legal effort to remove the Travis County District Attorney from office is now over. A visiting judge dismissed the lawsuit that was filed under a new state law, which aimed to punish so-called rogue DAs in the state of Texas. KVUE senior reporter Tony Plahetsky has been following this removal petition for months now and joins us here in the studio. So, Tony, walk us through how we got to this point and what sparked the removal petition in the first place.
So, Brian, we've got to go back to the spring. There was a lawsuit filed making a number of claims against District Attorney José Garza, including that he had policies in his office, according to the suit, of not prosecuting certain crimes. That led to the appointment of a special prosecutor to look into the matter, and that also drew attention on the case statewide because, Brian, it marked the first time under a new law that lawmakers put in place that a special prosecutor was appointed to actually investigate the underlying claims of that lawsuit.
Now, this was serious, but we've known for some time that this removal petition likely wasn't going to go very far, right?
Right. It drew a lot of attention as the first time that this law was being utilized in this way. But at the same time, there was a real defining moment over the summer, and that's when the special prosecutor, who, by the way, is the Bell County attorney just a few miles up the road, he was appointed to handle this matter. And in June, he filed a motion actually asking that the case be dismissed. He said, look, I've looked high and low in the district attorney's office, and I can't find proof that they have those types of policies in place, policies, again, to not prosecute certain crimes. And so he asked the judge at that time to dismiss the lawsuit, but Brian, the judge did not do that, at least immediately. He actually said he wanted more information and more proof that the DA's office didn't have those types of policies. And so the case has really been hobbling along since then.
So what made today the day then? Why was today the day it was decided?
Very interesting question. Well, one major thing has happened, and that is District Attorney José Garza was resoundingly reelected in a landslide in November. And so the judge made the point in court today from the bench that, look, this lawsuit applies to José Garza's first term, which is ending. And I don't think that this law was designed in any way to prospectively remove someone from office. Again, José Garza going into his second term early next year.
All right. Senior reporter Tony Plahetsky joining us here in the studio. Thank you very much for that, Tony.